Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. We are on week 11, day 4 of our study. This week's topic is satisfied. Our scripture verse, we're continuing in Daniel, and this is from Daniel 6:16. So the king gave the order, and they brought Daniel and threw him into the lion's den. The king said to Daniel, "May your God, whom you serve continually, rescue you." So remember, yesterday, Daniel people went to the king and told on Daniel because he was still praying 3 times a day and not following the king's orders. And so the king was kind of backed into a corner and had to do something with Daniel. And so he threw him into the lion's den. But if you read the verses that come right after this, the king didn't sleep all night. He was worried about Daniel. He didn't want to have to do that because he had great respect for Daniel and for the fact that Daniel stood up for his God and that he continued to worship his God in the ways that he was supposed to. And so the king really was suffering great anguish knowing that he had thrown Daniel into the lion's den. Our quote today comes from Sheila Walsh. "The whole purpose of my life is to become more like Christ. Therefore, everything that comes into it, good or bad, can be used by him to make me into the woman he has called me to be. Stupid arguments with my mother-in-law, long lines in the grocery store, illness, everything can be viewed as a gift." So again, it's that remembering that God, everything that we get from in our life is a gift from God. And so it's just how do we approach it? How do we react to it? Question 7, for what are we grateful according to 1 Corinthians 15:57? And question 8, what does 1 Thessalonians 5:18 say is God's will for your life? So I look forward to your responses. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Blessings.